Hello guys, and welcome back to my source for another useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix unable to verify app. So guys, first of all, make it sure you are using an internet connection which is working properly. If your connection is not working properly, you will have to reset your internet connection. So guys, after this, my second advice to you is that you will have to update your iOS software version to a latest version of iOS. So guys, first of all, update your latest iOS version. So tap on settings and then go to general and check your software updates. So if your software is not updated, update your software to the latest version of iOS. So guys, after this suggestion, there are some methods which will help you to solve this problem. So guys, first of all, you will have to offload that app and you will have to reinstall app again. So guys, tap on general and then tap on iPhone storage, and from here tap on that app which is creating problem like TikTok. I am opening TikTok, and from here guys, you will have to offload that app. So guys, offload that app and try to reinstall that app from the browser. So guys, after this, the next solution to you is that clear app history from where you have downloaded that app. So guys, go to that browser from where you have uploaded that app or you are trying to install that app. Like I am opening Safari. Then guys, scroll it below, and from here you will have to clear all history. So guys, clear history and website data from here. And then the next solution to this problem, if all these solutions are not working, is last solution, which is you will have to reset all settings of your iPhone. So guys, all this solution doesn't work, there is a final solution, that is you will have to reset all settings of your iPhone. So guys, tap on settings and go to general and then scroll it below and open transfer or reset iPhone. So guys, here you will have to reset all settings. After resetting all settings, you will have to restart your iPhone, and after this, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well.